Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KS177A-LB-SAC. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need in-channel lock pliers, needle nose pliers, 10mm Allen wrench, and diverter part, KSRP 1241D. Next, make sure to shut off both supply line. By hand. Loosen the bottom portion of the spout by turning counterclockwise and gently pull the spout off. Next, remove flange. Loosen nipple brass using a channel lock pliers. Then unthread and remove by hand. Loosen diverter with 10mm Allen wrench. Replace the diverter using needle nose pliers. And tighten using a 10mm Allen wrench. Thread nipple brass back and tighten with channel lock pliers. Insert flange back. Lastly, hand tighten spout back in place. Before we finish, make sure to turn water supply back on and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the diverter replacements.